And just like that, we're back again with another update on Cronos for my Crow family. Appreciate all the love. Just before we start the video, guys, I just want to remind you guys, if you guys are not following me on X, what are you waiting for? I've been really pushing, my X this time around because I really want to build a strong following on there. And this time around, I'm actually going to be posting a lot. So make sure you guys are following me on X. Link in the description box below. Looking across the board right now, going into the long weekend, especially if you're here in the US and obviously North America, even in Canada, there is a long weekend. So happy long weekend. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time. Make sure you're spending it with your loved ones. Just go enjoy life. Markets are not going anywhere. Sometimes during these flush, it's actually just good to turn off your computer, but make sure you are tuning in on your phone to the Crypto ZX updates for you guys, and go enjoy your day, guys. Come on, go enjoy your day. That's exactly what I did. I closed my screen, and boy, was I out. And I was out and about, but, bringing you guys these daily analysis updates. And guess what? Right after that, I'm going to close my computer. That's it. That's done with crypto. And that's what I want you guys to do as well. But with that being said, let's take a look at what's happening with Cronos right now as we're recording this update. Cronos right now. First and foremost, I want you guys to take a look at the last 1 hour, a little bit of an uptick. Nothing to be getting overly excited about or jumping around. Nothing to be doing that as of yet. Cronos price right now, if you're looking at the Cronos price, 16 cents right now, down about 2.9. Oh, down. Did I say down? I know you guys are probably giving me a hard time. Crypto ZX, what are you talking about? We're actually up. Okay, my bad, guys. We're up 3% in USD, up 2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Comparative valuation, $5.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 60 million. As always, though, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, as far as the dominance is concerned, I want to take a look at the dominance on the hourly perspective. I'm not going to bore you guys too much as far as the dominance is concerned, but again, you guys know every single update we emphasize on here, and I'm sure at this point you guys know why the dominance is so important. See for yourself. We were sitting at about 60% yesterday. We've seen obviously an increase since then. Obviously, we want to keep that in mind. If you're looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, you can see for yourself, Bitcoin price. Let me show you guys obviously on the hourly as well. Apologies here for you guys. So you can see we saw Bitcoin price retest below the 23.6 two different times. Both different times we have seen the price bounce back into the 23.6 fib zone. But with that being said, the question that you guys want to be asking is, are we out of the woods yet? And the answer of that is absolutely not. I personally think that Bitcoin price might try to make its way back and fill this wick. Again, I don't want to be a bear here, but based off of what we have seen, based off of what I have seen in the past, usually, like I said, the wicks do fill in, but that doesn't necessarily mean this one will fill in, but maybe we do come close to the 107K mark. And breaking below 107 opens the door, as I stated in some of my other updates as well. But right now, the price has been remaining within the 23.6. Great to see, but at this point, nothing to be getting overly excited about because we need to be back above at least 117 based off of the new, Bitcoin all-time high that we saw. So that's that. If you're looking at Cronos right now, due to Bitcoin seeing a bounce from the 23.6 FIB support line, you can see Cronos is obviously reacting in a positive way as well. As you can see, the price is retesting some key resistance, specifically around 16.5 cents. And breaking above here could get quite interesting here for Cronos. I think we can push up to 17.2 cents quite fast if we're able to push out of this key resistance where we currently are. And the 17.2 cents mark here, let me give it a refresh live for you guys so you guys can get a little bit of a better perspective here. I don't know what's going on, why we got the H-bar charts here instead of Cronos. So let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Here we have it. So you can see for yourself, we're actually trying to break out of this key range, which we retested at around 16 cents, and we actually broke above here. We actually came up to 16.2 cents not too long ago, but like I said, breaking above here takes us back up to 17.3 cents, just as I stated not too long ago. That is a move of about 8.69%, but breaking above here, I think, opens the door for us to retest that, and getting above here, pretty much back to almost where we were, prior to this retracement. So again, these next, moves are crucial for Cronos, but getting back up to these key levels, again, I know people are going to be like, Crypto ZX, well, this still did end up happening. I know this still ended up happening, but not a lot of people were able to get in around here. But this is unfortunate. This happened to the broader market. But as far as Cronos price is concerned, we are actually, getting closer to the key levels, much quicker than a lot of people are realizing, especially around the 18 cents. That's only about a 13% move from where we currently are. Getting back into that key range would be very, very crucial. And I think in the next few days, this could happen. But with that being said, let's not ignore what's happening with Bitcoin, because of course, if Bitcoin drops below the 23.6, retest closer down to, where we were just 2 days back, then that does drag the broader market down, because I would expect dominance to start showing strength in that case. So again, I'm going to take it one step at a time right now. We'll see what happens. Let me know in the comments what your personal thoughts are. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And like I said, follow me on X. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.